They may be called short ribs, but when it comes to flavour, there's no shortage here. Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. Yes, my Weber Q is out on the patio. It's British summertime, even though it's still a bit chilly. Now, I'm going to show you how I make these deliciously tender and flavoursome beef short ribs. So I'm starting in the kitchen. Here are the ingredients for the marinade or cooking sauce. Call it what you like. To a bowl, I'm adding bourbon whiskey, apple juice, muscovado sugar, whisking until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then white wine vinegar, clear honey, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, hot smoked paprika, and finally grated garlic. Now give it all another whisk until everything is combined. These are my beef short ribs, which I'm going to slow cook in that delicious sauce. This is just one rib my butcher has cut in half. Place the ribs in an oven-proof roasting dish. Pour over the sauce and cover tightly with foil, sealing it well at the edges. Cook in the oven, preheated to 130 degrees C for at least 4 hours, by which time these ribs should be nice and tender. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy a coffee or two and immerse myself in a good book. There are those who say this is barbecue cheating. You know what? I don't care. This gives me less time at the grill and more time with my friends, enjoying the delight on their faces as these short ribs hit their taste buds. I think that's the time of pinging. Let's get these short ribs out of the oven. The smell coming from this is absolutely amazing. I really do wish you could smell it. Transfer the ribs to a plate and cool completely. Just look, they're so tender, the bone is falling away. Pour the liquid into a jug and let it cool. Once cooled, the fat which has risen to the top of the liquid can be skimmed off. Pour the remaining liquid into a saucepan. Bring to the boil and reduce by half. This also kills off any bacteria, which will enable me to use this as a sauce. All done? That's it for the kitchen. Out at the barbecue, I'm cooking some baby roast potatoes to go with the ribs. The potatoes are halved with a light coating of oil and seasoned with salt. Make sure they're all skin side down, and then they won't stick. Close the lid and they should be done in about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm halving these large chunks of meat. Perhaps I should have asked my butcher
to cut them into 4. The meat has come clean away from this bone. Yes, the spuds are done. It's out of the veg basket and onto the warming rack. Before I reheat the ribs, I'm adding a tray of barbecue wood dust for that bit of smoke. And it's on go the ribs. Keep turning the ribs frequently over a gentle heat.
They are almost done. I'm now brushing them with the sauce. Keep the ribs moving to prevent the sauce from burning. Just listen to that sizzle. It's music to my ears.
They are off the grill and straight onto a serving board. And there you have my beef short ribs with baby roast potatoes. A drizzle of sauce adds the finishing touch. They're sticky, smoky, with that unmistakable barbecue char. These ribs look so good, I can't wait to taste them.
If you'd like to know more about this recipe, or indeed any of my videos, then all you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell, and leave your question in the community box below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, here's a recipe recap.
If you're cooking a lot of these for a crowd, then serve them from a board as finger food. But if you want to be posh, then go for a plate with baby roast potatoes, a bowl of salad, a bowl of slaw, and a dipping sauce on the side. They are tender. The meat just falls off the bone. This is melt in the mouth that hits all the flavour notes. My gastric juices are running wild.
If you've enjoyed watching how I make these delicious beef short ribs, then give us a thumbs up. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.